Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So just first we should open the settings application and then scroll to the security section. After that, click here to fingerprint and enter your passcode or drop the button. Here you'll see down animation styles. Now we have selected here the radial waves, and we can select one from those animation styles. For example, let's use this one. Now just let's lock the device, and we can check and see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation on our Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.